Good day and Pauline peace. I'm Beth Rachel May Emiliora, and I will present to you our activities for Module 4, Activity 4. So let me share my screen. So here is my Xero account. Select this, and you will choose these files, and we are tasked to create a new folder, which I created this client's agreement folder and uploaded 2 files which are Colorado agreement and Alicia agreement. After I uploaded it, I go here in inbox and send the files to this email address. After I send the file, it will notify that I sent the file via email. It will notify here. And that's all for the first individual activity. Next is, let's go here in accounting, choose advanced, and select financial settings. As you can see in my screen, for financial year end, I chose December 31 or a calendar year, and accrual basis for tax basis, tax ID number, tax ID display name, and annually for tax period. For tax defaults, for sales, it is based on last sale, and for purchases, it will based on last purchase. And after that, you will save it. That's all for financial setting. Let's go back here in accounting, advanced, and choose tax rates. I added 3 new tax rates, which are input tax. Tax rate display name is input tax. Tax component is VAT on purchases with 12%. Second is output tax. Tax rate display name is output tax. Tax component is VAT on sales and 12%. The last one is a corporate tax. Tax rate display name is corporate tax. Tax on income for tax component and with 32%. And that's all for tax rates. Let's go back here to accounting, advanced, and let's proceed to tracking categories. Here in tracking categories, it's up to us what will we choose. So for me, for my tracking category name, I chose clients. For category options, here are my clients: Alicia Restaurant, Colorado Restaurant, and Rossi Cafe. So that's all for tracking categories. For the last one, let's go back here in accounting. Next is in advance and chart of accounts. Here, I already modified it so that it will not consume so much time. We can see here the code, name, type, tax rate, and YTD. So I have here code from 001 to 043. So I have 43 total items. So let's have here an example. So for sales, income from any normal business activity, it is a revenue and output tax of 12%. So that's all. So here's my chart of account. So that's all for this video. I hope you learned something. Thank you and God bless.